Just got through taking a shower in my new shower. I'm gonna show y'all. I want you to check it out. I know what you think. Something new, something crazy. But I think it's pretty cool. This is a half bath, okay? This was just a toilet and a sink. Now it's a little something different. I want y'all to check it out. Alright. Still got the toilet in there. But now it's a little something else. We got it turned into a shower. Hot and cold. Alright, this is waterproofed sheeting here. We got it with a waterproof seal all the way down at the top. It's a waterproof sheet. It's a waterproof light. This is a mirror. Keep my shampoo in there for right now. Eventually, I'm wanting to get a. They make these sinks that fit on the spot right here. You remove this lid and you put a sink there, and it runs off the toilet water. You know, I mean not from down there, but from back here. It's the same water you get from the sink. And then you wash your hands or brush your teeth or whatever right there and keep all that stuff in here. But for now, it's just my little shower. I got a little mat here and there's the drain. My aunt did a lot of this work in here. She did a lot of this concrete stuff, and then my kids put these little jewels in here and a butterfly. It's pretty nice. I got a curtain that goes across here. Eventually I'm going to get a U-shaped curtain rod that goes up there to keep it more centralized in this location. Yeah, some water still pools up right here. It's not a complete success, but we're going to eventually get some tiles and kind of angle it all towards this way. But this is a good start. This is a waterproofed, like a silicone type base paint that goes down on the concrete, and then we'll get the tile that goes in. But this is working. So this is a waterproofed curtain. Goes over the window here. Got my toilet paper and spray back there. Bada bing. That's all you need, man. We'll keep y'all updated. I'll kind of show you some more pictures of the process. If you want to turn your half bath into a pool, maybe this might be where you need to go with it, man. If you have that as an option, check it out, alright? Yeah, check it out, you got some options. It's good to have options, you know what I'm saying?